Hello guys, for today's video we're going to the volcano, Mahagnao volcano. Hurry up dude, we're going now. Okay, sige lang ito. So we're going to go there and time check, it is already 12:30. So this is our national highway road. So before we go to our trip to Mahagnao, magpapagasolina kita. So guys, the gasoline here are quite expensive because of the price hike. So 1 liter of gas is equals to 60 peso or equivalent to 45 baht price. 1,000 1,000 to brother and 200 baht full tank, 200 peso for the 198. In our town we don't have a stoplight here because it's only a small town, but we have a lot of tricycles and buses, bikes. This is our river guys, it is called the Gitan River, and this is the continuation of the river that we went last week. So same lang sila. And this river is what we call the Marabong River. So this river is connected to Mahagnao area. So they are fixing this bridge because last year I think it was broken, so they are fixing it. And this water Marabong dako tubig ano
Wala pa na ito nung unang kuto ba ito yung mga ikuan
dito na federation na tubig
Hindi
San Esteban rin ano Isaka na Ilusok San Esteban. Mapalik kita dito na Esperanza Limpuran di Bulawan. So open pa yung basketball court. So guys, so nakalampas na kami sa barangay San Esteban, and then we're going straight to the next barangay. Kalimutan ko yung pangalan, so mamaya na lang. So as you can see guys, evergreen yung color ng aming surroundings because of the rains. So always there's rain here and the plants are always well watered. this barangay, guys, is called Barangay Balao. So we are going into Barangay Balao. So in Barangay Balao, guys, you can also do some longboard and skating here because of the road that is very perfect for skating. Sige, lapas slide na ba? Tidak, wala ba ito?
Di kita niyan.
Ato dito kuwan.
Ari gali.
Mula dengan di. Diretso na. Ano to?
Mabayad 30.
Kaya ano?
Environmental fee.
Matinaw. Na checkpoint di Amid. Magbabayad ng 30. And welcome to Barangay Mahagnao. May checkpoint. There's a checkpoint and you have to pay 30 baht. So tara. $30 peso. So welcome to Mahagnao National Park. Ay, sa katigat ng Volcan din. At sa Volcan.
Mabayad ka lang.
Mabayad na luwat. So guys, we are now in Mahagnao National Park. And as you can see, this is the host. Okay. So today is a little bit windy, guys. You can see. Ah? Yeah. Today is quite windy. So this is our national park in this part of our town. And as you can see, we have lake. And on that part is what we call the volcano. It's just actually a sopre, the sulfur. Can zoom in. Damn. Those are made of sulfur. Tara daw.
Hindi, nagkado may wartot motor.
Budlot naman ko. Nalawa da nga ni. Ano tao? May tao nito? Look at tower guys. 175 meters.
Karayo. Karayo. 75. Ano kita?
Ginano ang kita niyo? Reklamo ka. Binaydang ka. Tour guide ka ba ya?
175 meters.
Tak tour guide.
Ay, mawarat mo.
Yung pagwanim. Nanata. So guys, we're going to the tower. Ingan daw nila.
Karayo, black.
Sag nila ito, 175 oh. Barato. Tigmit ka na mga tempat.
Ay, tao.
Bakit daw nakikay ko tour guide eh. Nareklamo ka man. Eh. Katot motor nam. So, tara. Nagloko ka man. Tigmit. This is a big fern. Kapoy ka na? Kapoy! Oh, our national park, guys. They just made it for like tourism here. So, our... Kapoy! I feel hungry now. But our national government here, or NGO, is trying to promote tourism in our area, especially for Mahagnao National Park. Kapoy. Gusti. Naman hudak mid. Naman hudak tiil. And also, you have our native fruit here called calapi. So, it's indigenous in natural park, especially in Philippines and Indonesia and Malaysia. Kapoy. So, we are near to our viewpoint. Ada namid? Nagbayad kita. Pag sarado. Ha? I-explain daw mid kung ano ito siya dida. May tao man. Paborito. Oh bye. Ha, di naman mid oh. Huy, layo. Okay, we're going up to the tower. Ha? Di ba mid mo pa eh? Dang. Mahagnao yun eh. Mahagnao Lake. Yung nga di anod lot nga di. Pikas. Let's see. Oh bye. Hi. Oh bye. Tower. Right down. Ay, naubos na ko pa eh. So guys, this area is next to the Mahagnao volcano, and this area is a place where you can have a homestay, and you can do kayaking, and you can also rent some houses there for resting. As you can see, that one is also a resort, and this area is good for chilling.
Lalaro kami. Ayun na.
Ay, pagkiwan. Alright. This is Barangay Mahagnao, guys. Total cost paid 1,531,000. Ano tani din yung mid? Ha?
Narkuya.
Naga naman. Ew. Tubig.
Yun lang naman. Yun na rin dito.
Kakara ito dito. One. Balay man. Ew. Dako na mahagkasya. Okay guys, so that's all for this video. Hope to enjoy. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye.